Dear student, welcome, good morning all of you. Exercise 7.3. In this exercise you will read area of triangle. Area of triangle. Find the area of triangle where vertex are. These three are vertex for triangle. In first question you are looking two part. So first of all we will see first part and second part you can do. That means right. Show. Question number 1, first part. That coordinates are 2, 3, 2, 3, then -1, 0, then 2, -4, 2, -4. These are the vertex of, so area is equal to, that means we will write 1/2 curly bracket x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 and then plus x3 y3 minus y1. It means you are looking 1 2 3 and then after 1 after 2 2 3 1 and then after 3 3, so that will be 3 1 2 3 1 2, right? In this series you will be right, and then x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3, so that 1/2 that x1 is 2, y2 is 0, y3 is -4, so that minus plus 4, and then x2 is -1 and then y3 is -4, y1 is 3, then -3 and then plus x3 is 2, y1 is 3 and then 0. Then after 1/2 2 into 4, 0 plus 4 4 plus -1 into -7 plus 2 into 3, and then after 1/2 2 4 ja 8 minus plus 7 1 ja 7 plus 3 2 ja 6, and then after 1/2 into, that will be add 21, so that is 21/2 square unit. That is 21/2 square unit. Second part you can do. Then second question, here is also two parts. So one part done by yourself, one part I am explaining here. In each of the following, find the value of k for which the point are collinear. Collinear means area is equal to 0. So that first part is that 7 -2 5 1, that is 3k, 3 and k. So area is equal to that 1/2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. In the series you can write this formula 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2, and then collinear means that is area is equal to 0. So 1/2 that x1 is 7, y2 is 1 minus k plus that is 5, and then 3 minus 1, so k plus 2, and then x3 that is 3, and then 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1. Then after that will become this side and that will be 0. So that will be 7 minus 7k by the multiply of this, plus 5k plus 10, and then plus 3 multiply minus 3, that minus 3. So that 0 is equal to 7 minus 2k, 7 less 5, 2k, and then plus 10 minus 9. And this one, k will become this side, so that will be 2k is equal to 7, 10, 17, 17 less, that will be right, 17 minus 9. Then after here we will see k is equal to that 17 less 9, that will be 8, and then upon 2, 2 4 ja 8. So k is equal to 4. This is the answer. So similarly you will be do, right? And then third question, find the area of triangle formed by joining the midpoint of the sides of triangle whose vertices are these. So here third question is just lengthy question but not difficult, only that is a lengthy question. So third question, that no part is there. So first of all we will draw a triangle. This is a triangle, right, like this, A, B, C, and the vertices are 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, and then 2 1, 2 1, and then 0 3, 0 3. So first of all we find the area of ABC is equal to, that is same formula, 1 upon 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2, and then after 1 upon 2, that x1 is, that is 0, the y2 1 minus 3 plus x2 is 2, then y3 minus 3 plus 1, and then plus, that is again 0, so that will be y1 minus y2, so that minus 1 minus 1, so that 1 upon 2, that will be, if that side is, outside is minus, then that will be 0, plus 2 into 4 plus outside is 0, so that will be also 0. Here is a bracket. So 1 upon 2 into 2 4 ja 8, 4. So that is 4. Now he is saying that midpoint of that one is, midpoint means these point. Now suppose P, Q, R. So P is equal to, what will be there? x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2, right? So that x1 is 0 plus 2, 0 plus 2 upon 2, and then that will be minus 1 minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 upon 2. By the calculation of that, that will be 1 or this will be 0. And then similarly we will find the Q point. Q is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. For Q point, 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0, comma, that is 1 plus 3 upon 2 upon 2. So that will by calculation that will be 1 or this will be 2. And then Q, R point, R is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So that will be now the 0 plus 0 upon 2 and then 3 minus 1 upon 2. By the calculation that will be 0 comma 3 less 1 2 1. These points are the here. So first of all P point we will write here 1 comma 0. Q point is 1 2 1 2 and then P point is 0 1 0 1. So again we will find the area of this one. So first area is this one, 4 is, we will remember, and then we will find the second area, PQR. PQR. That same formula will be same, that is 1 upon 2, x1 is 1 bracket 2 minus 1 and then plus that is also 1 and then 0 minus 1 0 minus 1 that will be next x3 is 0 0 that will be again we are looking here x1 x2 x3 1. Okay, after that we will check that y1 y2 0 minus 2. Now we will check that x1 is 1 x2 is 1 x3 is 0. Now 2 minus 1 and then 1 minus 0, that is 1 minus 0 1 minus 0 and then 1 2 0 minus 2. So that 1 upon 2 that will be 1 multiply 1 plus that will be 1 multiply 1 plus 0. Now that 1 upon 2 1 1 ja 1 plus 1 1 ja 1. So 1 upon 2 into 2 2 1 ja. So that is 1 square unit. And then again what saying, find the ratio of the this area. So find ratio. So ratio will be ratio is equal to 1 ratio. First answer was 4. That is a answer. And then fourth question, find the area of quadrilateral whose vertices are given there. So what will we do that one? Very simple is this. Just lengthy type of question. 2 times you will be find the area. Fourth, that first of all draw the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. What is this? Minus 4, minus 2, minus 4, minus 2, and then second is minus 3, minus 5, minus 3, minus 5, and then next is 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, and then next is 2 3, 2 3. These are the vertices. So what we will do here, you can join this diagonal or this diagonal, any one diagonal you can join. We have joined. Now you are looking 2 triangles is here. One of the triangle is this one of the triangle of this one. So first of all you will find the area of ABC. Coordinates are these, and then you will be write separate. And then you will find the area ACD. So coordinates are these, and then also you will be write. After that what you will be do, area of quadrilateral is equal to both area you will be add. Both area you will be add. Fifth question. You have studied in class 9th chapter 9 example 3 that a median of a triangle divided into it into two triangle of equal area. Verify that result for ABC whose vertex are these. So first of all we will draw the triangle. That is a triangle A, B, C. So that a vertex is that 4 minus 6, and then 3 minus 2, and then that is 5, 2. These are the vertex. So median means, you know that median, that is a median. Median means that's a divide any line that in two equal part. So what we will find here, this area is equal to this area. So first of all we will find the D. It means D is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So that will be 3 plus 5 upon 2, and then 2 minus 2 or minus 2 plus 2, or the same thing, that is 8 upon 2, or this is 0 upon 2. 2 4 is 8. So that will be 4 comma 0. So that is a 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0. That is a D point. Now first of all you will find the area of ABD. Vertex are these, and then after you will find the area ACD. Vertex will be this. So it means these vertex will be come both in both triangle. So and then after you will be see both area will become equal. Okay.